Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add rotoscope effect on a VivaVideo apps. Now let's get started. First, open your VivaVideo apps, and after this, if you wanna add a VivaVideo apps, you just click on the new project or click on the project. And after this, after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the on the effect at the bottom. Okay, this one you can click on the all effect, and after this at the menu you can swipe until you can see a rotoscope effect. This one you can click on it, and after this in here you can click the rotoscope effect that you want, maybe on this one, or this one. And after this you can click on done at the bottom. This one, can click on it and finish. So that's how to add rotoscope effect on a VivaVideo apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.